Hello and welcome to episode 5 of NoCodeNerd. So, I say this a lot, but this is one of my favorite tools in the world. Today we're talking about Hunter. It is a very simple little outreach tool that lets you find the email address of just about anybody in the world. So, the links are down below. It's hunter.io or hunter.io/Chrome. I highly recommend you install the Chrome extension. They have a few other extensions, but I like the Chrome extension the best. Basically, what it does is you see this little orange fox up in the top right corner, one of my little Chrome extensions. If I press that, it pops open and it finds every single email in the backend HTML and on the website that it can find, right, for that domain name. So it just found 13 different people. As you can see, 13 results for hunter.io for whatever website you plug it into, right? I have found so many people's emails this way. So let's say I'm trying to get in touch with Irina. Let me go to LinkedIn really quick and show you what I mean. Irina is the head of marketing at Hunter, and I love everything about Hunter, and I want to reach out to them, right? This is Irina. Cool kiddo, helping advertise Hunter. I want to reach out to her. I don't know her email address, right? Because I want to work with her and help promote the tool. So I'm going to go to Hunter, click the little Hunter button. I'm going to type in Irina, and it's going to find that email for me. Boom, head of marketing at Hunter. We found that email address on 5 different places on the web. Most of them are at Hunter, right? Even if the website wasn't listed on this page, it's still able to actually guess. And I've gotten some crazy opportunities just because I'm able to guess people's emails using Hunter. It identified that the first name at hunter.io, like this, Irina at hunter.io, it identified that that's the structure of typical emails on the site, right? So if I typed in a different name that I knew worked at Hunter, it would predict that name, like Ted at hunter.io, right? And sometimes the email addresses will get crazy, and it'll still be able to predict them. I've emailed people, like CEOs of companies, because I want to find, because in the past I wanted to find internships or job positions. I emailed them, and I was like, hey, would love to hop on a call, see if there's a way we can work together. And they respond like, I would love to hop on a call, but how did you find my email? And it was always because I used Hunter. So, great tool. By the way, Irina, I know I bugged you before. You're super cool. We're connected on LinkedIn. I still love your tool. Let me know if there's any way we can work together. My show is expanded as of late, but if not, that's totally fine. I'm going to tag you. I'm going to be annoying. I apologize. But anyway, yeah, that is Hunter. If you need to reach anybody over email, I highly recommend you use it, and all the links for everything down below as usual. So let me know what you think of the tool, and if you have any questions, I'll see you on the next episode.